Yes, today we will learn to open the door. Okay. Again. We play here with Ray. Okay, again. No. From the start, okay? Okay? Can you show me where is the goat? Woo! Can you show me where is the horse? Where is the dog? Where is the sheep? Hello, this is a cow, okay? Where is the sheep? Where is the sheep? Right here. I need to restart, okay? Then now we restart again, yeah? Okay, okay, again. Can you show me where is the chicken? Woo! Can you show me where is the cow? Yay! Can you show me? I don't want to open that. Can you show me where is the horse? Which one is the sheep? Yes. And where's the dog? Yeah. And finally, what is this? This is goat. Where's the goat? Come on, show me where's the goat. Goat. Yay! Okay. I think this is a rooster, is it? Rooster with the little chickie, and the horse is eating the grass, and the cow is eating the grass too. And the dog, what's the dog doing? Where's the dog? Oh, with a small little doggy. And the goat with a baby, and this one is all sheep eating the grass. Doran, lay it. Open door. This one have different lock. You can open it like this one. You need to close like this. Okay, this one. Take it up. Okay, push here. And then this kind of lock you need to drag and then put inside. And then this one you need to lock, like push harder. This lock you need to do like this. And this lock finally. Do you know how to open it? Nah, like this. I teach you, yeah. Take it and then push here. Try this. You take this one, drag. This one also you need to do like drag it. This one, this you need to like push. This one needs to be very hard. Woo! So finally this one. Let me teach you. Yes! You did it. Cow. Bye bye. Bye bye. Tết. Tết. Okay, Nit Nit. Bye bye. Nit Nit. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Anh ăn lại các bạn.